my new friend I got here. The neighbor brought this bird over a couple weeks ago. I think it was a pretty young scrub jay. Well, the cat got a hold of it, and so now he's got one bad wing, he's got one bad foot, and one bad eye. But other than that, he's doing well. The first few days, I wasn't sure if he was going to make it because he was pretty lethargic. But he seems to be doing pretty well now. Wish I knew how to fix that wing for him. But when I examined the bird, you could tell the cat had put its tooth right through the wing. There was kind of a wound there. So I don't know. I don't think it's... But he's still trying to get used to being here. He would like to get outside. But he wouldn't last long out there. I was thinking about calling him lucky. Because he's lucky to be alive, I tell you what. One night, I just leave his cage open, but he stays inside the cage. And one night he did come out and he went right into Peach's cage and stayed in there. Probably more toys, huh? Okay, well, that's my scrub jay. We're starting up a wildlife sanctuary here. Let's see what this bird turns into.